How to get more requests on Wizz app. So Wizz shows your profile to others based on activity, profile quality, and engagement. So more visibility, of course, means more chat requests. So on how Wizz decides who gets requests, Wizz boosts profiles that are active daily, fully completed, getting likes or replies, not reported or blocked, and is engaging with others. If you are inactive or ignored, your profile gets shown less. So make sure you're active with the actual app itself to potentially get more chat requests. Also optimize your profile, which is very important. In your profile photo, use a clear face photo with good lighting, no sunglasses or mask. Make sure you show your actual face, since profiles without clear photos get fewer requests. There's also bio tips that you should keep it short or interesting. Either way, still works. Mention your hobbies. You can ask some sort of question. That way, they could ask you for a chat request, answering that question. You can show your personality as well directly in your profile and bio. A good example is saying that you love music or late night talks. And after that, you can just say, "What's your favorite song?" as a question form. You don't answer that. You put that in your bio literally, asking the reader what their favorite song is. So avoid one word bios like that or anything, but pretty much depends on what kind of personality or people you're looking for, of course. And again, we already mentioned, but be active every day. Wizz favors active users. So swipe and send requests as well, reply quickly to messages, and update your profile occasionally. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day helps boost your visibility. You can also try sending good first messages, even though this isn't basically them requesting a chat, that's you doing it. It's still a way for other people to talk to you. You can also use feed and moments if it is available. You can post, boost visibility, casual selfies, questions, moods, or depending on you. And finally, respect age and distant filters, since if your filters are too strict, fewer people see you and there will be fewer requests. And finally, avoid weird stuff, of course. Avoid getting reported, since this does eliminate visibility. Even one report can limit your reach. So don't be rude. Apparently, ask for socials immediately is something you should avoid. And finally, reply fast when you get messages. This isn't really a way to get chat requests, but it is something you should practice, since faster replies, meaning you get better engagement and potentially could help you with more. And hopefully, the information of this video can help you. Just be active, of course, in the Wiz app itself to get more boosts on your visibility. And if this video can help you, though, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.